Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're seeing about a 6% increase in the last 24 hours revolving around Cardano. A lot of big things coming up and a lot of big things taking place here in the next couple of weeks. We've seen, September 12th going to be that huge day for smart contracts. We have the Cardano Summit coming the 25th and 26th. We have actually Cardano just launching in Japan recently. We'll talk about that and the significance of that as well. But they also have a lot more regarding the Cardano chart in the push to $3. So we're going to give you guys price predictions at the end of the video and where we think we could see Cardano by the end of the year in the end of the bull market part 2. Cardano obviously doing very, very well in this last 24 hours, seeing a 6% increase. In the last week, seeing about a 12.84% increase. In the last month, seeing a 117.85% increase. So altogether, Cardano is doing very, very well. We actually saw the all-time high push August 23rd at 6:30 p.m. all the way up to $2.97. I do think we'll break $3 before the smart contracts officially releases, as obviously a cooperating Bitcoin is going to have to come about as well. So at 47.2K, we probably won't hit above $3. But if we do break even 48K, 49K, we are going to see, in my opinion, Cardano break that $3 mark. So pushing down, we see the market doing very, very well today, seeing about a 2.66% increase. If you actually take a look, though, they all struggled throughout the last day. We saw really a solid dip around 46.3K. August 26th at 8:20 p.m. And we continued to see that kind of volatility yesterday between 47 and 46K with Bitcoin. So it's great to finally see it kind of stabilizing out above 47. But I do want to take a farther look into actually Cardano and where we could see it, like I said, by the end of the year and by the end of the bull market. We're also going to go over all updates and news regarding Cardano. So if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with altcoins like Cardano. So jumping into the first tweet, it's actually going to be one of my own, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. If you guys are not following me, I would suggest it, as I try to give you guys updates on everything there as well. So Cardano ADA announced for smart contracts to be released September 12th, 2021. Imagine where this brings us in 2022. So obviously a lot of people excited about this September 12th date, but there's also more dates coming. We have confirmed 25th through the 26th of September. There's going to be 20 local meetup events, and they are asking and taking suggestions on where they should be. Definitely going to be huge. I think we're going to see a lot of good things being talked about here. Obviously, smart contracts will be in place by then, and those will definitely be in the discussions as well. I expect more and more projects after these meetups to jump on board with Cardano, understanding the entire foundation and really the ecosystem as a whole, if they did not already. If we jump into the next tweet, we are going to see Cardano never fails to impress. I'll see you guys at $3 ADA. So this is another tweet I put out, and this was August 19th when Cardano was at $2.10. I knew there was a bullish look coming, and I thought we had a very, very good shot at reaching $3. $2.97 so far, so I would say it's a fairly decent prediction. We actually take a look at another tweet from Cardano Foundation, overwhelmed with gratitude for the 440 plus host applications or applicants from the 370 plus locations around the world. Amazing people already doing some extraordinary things on Cardano. Applications are now closed. Registrations to attend local meetups are coming soon. So this is absolutely huge. The community support is just absolutely massive, and that's one thing you definitely want to have when you're talking about a specific coin and the possibilities that could come from it. If we actually jump into the next tweet, this one talks a little bit more on the Cardano Foundation. Great achievement to have Confirm.io AML platform integrated with the Cardano protocol. This increases the institutional capabilities of Cardano blockchain and will help achieve mass adoption of ADA crypto in regulated markets with the use of AML CFT analytics. So like I said, very big news here as well. I want to take a look at this tweet though, because this one, in my opinion, is one that has gone a little bit less noticed than I would assume possible. Honestly, I thought this would be absolutely huge. One thing to note, guys, is Cardano did launch in Japan, and the world's third largest digital asset, Cardano ADA, has overcome the stringent regulatory hurdles to finally launch on Bitpoint in Japan. After a week of pushing all-time highs, Charles Hoskinson's brainchild has announced the listing of ADA following months of really box ticking for Tokyo's strict crypto licensing regime. So the cryptocurrency will launch for Japanese customers on the country's most popular exchange, Bitpoint. And like I said, guys, this is a big one. Japan's got tight crypto rules, and finally being able to push this into Bitcoin is definitely, like I said, a very, very good, good thing to see happening. I want to take a look at another very interesting article. This one talks about Cardano chart painting a bull flag for a $3 ADA price ahead of ERC20 converter launch. So this is absolutely huge. Obviously, the ERC20 converter launch. They talk about the classic technical pattern points to a 20% price rally in Cardano market, with its profit target sitting above $3. Like I said, that's definitely a possibility. I think it's definitely a possibility that we see it before, like I said, those smart contracts are released. Cardano ADA appears to be heading toward a new record high as its downside moves the shape of a bull flag. So I do think we are going to see this $3 surge come. A lot of people are excited for it, and Cardano's flagpole is 58-cent long. As a result, ADA USD bull flag target is $3.05 if measured from the pattern's bottom at $2.47, about 23.65% higher. Like I said, I always do my own TA before I do these videos, and just because I did my own TA, I was pretty much right around the same price, honestly. I thought $3.05 is a price that did look realistic here in the upcoming weeks ahead. If we actually take a look, though, at the supportive fundamentals, we have a lot of bullish technical setups emerging, majorly due to euphoria surrounding Cardano's long-awaited smart contracts feature set to go live on September 12th via the Alonzo upgrade. The news boosted hopes that Cardano would be able to rival Ethereum, the biggest smart contracts platform, which has lately struggled with network congestion and higher transaction fees. As a result, demand for Cardano's native asset, ADA, has been steadily growing. So you can see that here with this, actually poll of about 10,000 people voting yes that Cardano will flip Ethereum 2.0 if it's fully operational. I will say, guys, I don't know if that's entirely accurate. It won't just be an automatic yes. Obviously, it'll take, in my opinion, months and years to actually make that flip happen. But people do want to see it happen, so maybe it will. I just think, it does usually take some time to actually make such a big flip like this. But we'll see what happens. I think, realistically, both great coins, obviously Cardano and Ethereum, both really needed in this network at the moment. So I'm excited to see what happens with Cardano. Obviously, we'll keep you guys up to date through it all. I want to jump back to the Cardano price points. Like I said, a lot going on with this price chart. We do see a 5.36% increase up to $2.76 now, continuing to see some, price increases in Cardano. If we actually take a look at the last week, like I said, a $2.97 price point was August 23rd at 6:30 p.m., seeing that all-time high was definitely something a lot of people wanted to see. And I think, we are having a lot of people buying the hype and hopefully not selling the news like typically, taking place, but definitely a possibility that we see some selling the news taking place. So do expect some volatility around that September 12th date, probably a little bit before. But right now, looking fairly solid. I think we will push above $3. I want to say, a price prediction by the end of the year. I'd say $3 to $5 is still well within range. Obviously, very, very obviously going to hopefully hit that $3 mark by the end of the year. And, by the end of the year, I think we have a possibility of even reaching $5. And that's going to be a very realistic, conservative price prediction. By the end of the bull market part two, a lot of people could see much, much more happening. I suggested anything between a $7 to $10 price point is fair game. I think that's definitely a possibility. So we'll keep you guys up to date, like I said, through it all. If you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I do want to say, guys, as well, follow me on Twitter. And if you guys have not yet taken advantage, or at least look at the Patreon, I do have the Patreon from the 100K subscribers we got on the channel. So I do have a Patreon down in the description below. If you guys take a look, it will actually get you guys my picks on pre-sales, on ICOs, on market updates, and obviously my picks of low market cap coins as well. If you guys want to take advantage of that, definitely do so. Like I said, Patreon's in the description below. Thank you guys again for the awesome support. I'll see you guys all in the next one.